Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of an update about this cleanser, brush cleanser. So if you want to see what I think about it and hear my updates, stay tuned. So hey unicorns, I want to do a little bit of an update on this cleanser. I washed some of my brushes and now I'm washing my sponges, so I'm going to show you the process of it. So I have a sponge in there already, and let's see how good it washes. I'm seeing if there's a timer, because one time when I went in here I thought it was a timer, I don't know, but I'll let you know. And I washed some of my brushes, so I will show you them after they were done clean, show you the layout of them. I did not do a video filming the process, but hopefully y'all do enjoy this part of it. So this is after your cleanser, and as you can see, the water looks like foundation. That means it really works. So I'm gonna put this over here, so you're gonna come with me. So let's see if this really worked. It looked like it did. Let me rinse this and I'll show you what it looks like after it's been in there. So I really recommend that washer. Look at this, it's fully clean. When I squirted out, there was no foundation, so this worked very well. I really recommend it. But I just wanted to share it here, just in case you want to know how it worked with sponges, because I didn't show it in that video. And I hope y'all can hear me okay. I'm not on the mic on or anything. But that is so cool. So I'm just going to do the time lapse of the other sponges, and then I'll show you all the brushes cleaned. So this is what this sponge looks like. Hope you can see it okay. The lighting is in here is not good. So I'm just going to pop it in here. I'm just going to put it in the same water because it takes a little bit, but you have to unplug it and everything for it to, rinse it out and all that stuff. So let's put the top back on here and then we'll start it. So let me know if you tried this product before, and look how quiet it is. It's not even that loud when you use it. And it suds up very well, as you can see, like on my hands. So you only need a little drop of soap. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue washing these sponges, and then I'll be right back after I'm done and show you them all clean and the brushes. So as y'all know, y'all saw in the last clip me cleaning the sponges. These cleaned really good. Some of them did clean very good. Here's what they look like. And I think I kept this one maybe in a little too long because it did rip a little bit. So don't keep it in too long like I did. Some of them are a little bit stained because, I try to clean it as best I could. But the rest of them clean very good. I really recommend this cleanser for cleaning sponges. Just make sure I don't put it in there too long. And here's all the brushes that are cleaned. And I tried this sponge, but it was hard to hold because it is a little sponge. So I had to do it hand scrubbed, like on a soap bar. But other than that, I really like this cleanser. Brush cleanser, I really recommend it. I will link it at my Amazon storefront for y'all, so please go shop on there. And also, it did come with a bonus cleanser, so I did use that with some of the brushes to make sure it was clean thoroughly. And I will link the product itself just in case you don't want to use my Amazon link, but it's down there for y'all just in case y'all don't want to. And it is a full link, and all the money I make goes right back to my channel, so you know. So if you need a quick, easy makeup brush cleanser that you're not in the, wherever you clean out for a while, I really recommend this one. It don't take that long, maybe like 30 minutes or so. It depends on how dirty your brushes are, but I really recommend this one. I think it's really a way that you could do quick cleaning. And also, I don't know if there's a timer on it because when I did the sponges, I didn't notice any timer. Maybe it just turned off when I was doing one of the brushes. I don't know, but there's no really timer. Just eyeball it while you're cleaning it. If you think it's been there too long, just check it. So you don't have like what I did with the sponge, leaving it in there too long. It just scrape because at the bottom there's like little plastic thing that moves. So that's my bad. But I don't even use this side. I use this side more, so it's okay. I needed to throw this sponge out anyways. I love these sponges. They're from Beaky. And I have them setting in the sun so they dry. And the brushes, if you want to know, I have some from Beaky Cosmetics, which is an Amazon brand. I have some from Wing Me. Here's one from makeupbrushes. I really love makeupbrushes. I really recommend them. Here's another one that's makeupbrushes. This one I got from Ipsy. It's a little unicorn horn. It's from, I don't know how to say that brand, but I love that one. That's one of my favorites. Dio Color. I'm just showing y'all them just in case you want to know what brushes I used. These are not all my brushes, but these are some of them that I haven't cleaned, yet. So I wanted to go through all the brushes and make sure I have them all clean before I do makeup videos for next month for Valentine's Day. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this update on this product. If you want to see the original video where I'm testing out the first time, please go check out that video. I'll have it linked in the iCards up above, so please check that out. And I think that is it. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to do a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say, the soap emoji to be shout out in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's check out section, show them some love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, find their comment in the comment section, tell them that you're grateful for their support for the unicorn family. I started doing this on my channel so I could say thank you to all the unicorns who show my videos of love and full. It really does help out a lot, and I really am appreciative for all the support on my channel. So please, unicorns, continue to show me support, and you'll be shouted in the next video. So a little bit things I want to talk about before I end this video. Coming soon on my channel will be my very first Amazon sponsor video. So if y'all stay tuned for that, I really am excited about that because I love Amazon so much. And I do have a storefront, so please, again, check out that if you want to show my channel some support. But this will be my first sponsorship, so I just want to let y'all know when it that it is coming soon. I have other videos coming soon, which will be from Makeup Monday, Unicorn Glam Squad, which is on Wednesdays, Women Who Collab, which is on Thursdays, and those 3 collabs we're doing Valentine's themed makeup looks all month long, all month long. Fridays is Face Mask Fridays, and then I have free days, so whatever I could think of that's Valentine's related or just want to do, I'm going to do it there. But I just want to give y'all an update on my channel just in case you want to know what's coming soon. Also coming soon on my merch shop, I'm going to be dropping a new merch design on my birthday, which is February 12th. It's not a birthday theme or Valentine's theme, it's just something to go with my channel, so you know. So please stay tuned for that. I will put it in my community tab when it goes live. Also, if you want to stay up to date to that or anything on my channel, if you want to show my channel some support, please join me over there on Patreon, where you get sneak peeks and other content over there, and that money goes right back to my channel, so you know. But that's why I just want to let you know where y'all get the first glimpse of the merch before it drops. So y'all are the first ones to know, and y'all gonna do other things on there as well. I have maybe 4 tiers on there that they're really cheap. They start at $3. So please go show me some love over there if you want to help support the channel. I also have linked down below other ways you can help support me, just in case you want to support me money wise. You don't have to. Your likes, comments, subscribers, shares does help out a lot, but I know some people love sharing, showing support in other ways, so that's there for y'all. I think that's all the information I want to give for today. The only thing I'm going to be linking down below, the brush cleanser. I'm not going to be linking any of these brushes because I just showed you the brands, and I don't want to be having the description too long. Also, I forgot to mention, I just use dish soap for my cleansing brushes because I feel like it's I do have sensitive skin. I feel like that one worked very well. And then some of the things like the sponges that didn't get cleaned really good, I used a bar soap. So that's what I used for the brushing. I'm cleaning my brushes, but you can use anything. But I just want to let you know what I did use in the brush cleanser. And I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you tried this brush cleanser before, any cleanser like this from another brand. Let me know what you thought of it down below. I've been loving it so far, and I think it's going to be one of my new go-tos because I need something quick and easy. I don't want to be in there doing cleansing brushes for an hour, so I feel like this is a great one to be cleaning quick and easy for. But let me know down below what you thought of it. And if you want updates like this in the future, let me know. Like if I try any other products, let me know, and I will definitely do them. But I just want to do this quickly video here so I can show y'all an update on this brush cleanser. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!